September 30th, Mr. Speaker, to March 31st of this year, in a period of just 6 months, the Kenya Kwanza government has borrowed 689 billion shillings compared to the similar period when President Uhuru was in power, when only 405 billion was raised. So this talk that we hear all the time, that Kenya Kwanza is curtailing and managing debt, it is just hypocritical, it is theoretical, but the actual fact is that Kenya Kwanza is borrowing monies more than what President Kenyatta did borrow. And so we are headed into a situation where this country is going to face financial distress, Mr. Speaker. I want to stop there, Mr. Speaker, but my concern is that this budget is not likely to be financed from the revenue projections that we have. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Minority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, let me make a few comments on this bill. First and foremost, it's obvious that we are still